Air Jordan is reportedly adding a festive entry to its holiday lineup with the Air Jordan 3 Santa, expected to release on November 21, just ahead of Thanksgiving. While Jordan Brand has yet to confirm official details, early reports point to a seasonal take on the classic Tinker Hatfield design. The shoe is rumored to feature a bold red and white color palette, immediately setting a holiday tone without straying too far from the model's roots. Red leather is expected to dominate the upper, balanced by clean white panels on the tongue, eye stays, and midsole. Signature elephant print remains at the toe and heel, likely finished in red to maintain a unified look. Black hits on the outsole and heel branding add contrast and keep the design grounded. It is still unclear whether the pair will include Santa-themed details or special packaging, or if the nickname simply reflects the colorway. If the final release matches early expectations, this could be one of the more wearable holiday Jordans in recent years.